Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Twitch account. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Twitch account, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Twitch and make your search. You're going to see the Twitch application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. This is how you can download your Twitch application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.